How to use teleporters in Terraria. So first you will need the materials, so you will need a wrench and the corresponding color of the wire. So if I use a red wrench, I'll use the red wires right here. So if you'll use a green wrench, you'll use green wires. And next is you will need the wire cutter to basically cut off your mistakenly placed wires or something like that. And now what you want to do is get your teleporter. So I'm just going to place it right here to basically show you guys how it's done. Just like that. And then equip your wrench. Then make sure that the wire goes through the teleporter just like that so that it will activate. And I'm just going to place it right here up to the other teleporter just like that. And what I like to do is use a pressure plate to activate it. So I'm just going to place it on top and on the other one also, just like that. And get your red wrench again and click through the pressure plate to add the wires just like that, and also on the other end. And once that's done, if you go through or step on the pressure plate, it will instantly teleport you to the other teleporter. And as you can see, it works both ways, and you could also use a lever if you want. So for the lever, just place it beside the teleporter or wherever you want, as long as you can reach it. And once you have it, just equip your red wrench again, then add it through the lever just like this. And once that's done, every time you click or right click on the lever, it will instantly teleport you to the other teleporter. You could also do these with switches. Just make sure that the wire goes through the switch so that it will work. And that is how you basically use teleporters in Terraria.